So here are some of the market drivers that we hear when we're out there talking to customers and distributors on why they need to put a vending system in. So obviously lean manufacturing. They want to keep the worker at his workstation. Every study that we've looked at, SME studies, ASME studies, all comes down to if you can keep the worker in his workplace, he will drive efficiency. When he's walking around the plant looking for something, if it takes 15 minutes, it's probably going to take 25 because he's got to stop by his buddy, talk about Monday Night Football, all of the things that happen in a manufacturing plant, or really in any work environment. Six Sigma. More and more companies are moving to Six Sigma systems, and they want data to drive those decisions. They want to know how many tools they use to make this product so that they can look at the process and drive cost out of that process. Standards compliance, especially in the publicly traded companies. We're seeing more and more of SOX compliance and some of these types of things. They're not allowed to have off-balance sheet inventory, so consigned inventory is not legal anymore, so they want to get rid of that type of stuff. But if they can put it in a vending machine and it's locked up, then they're able to do that. So they're able to drive some inventory savings by pushing that back on their suppliers in a vending system. ISO, OSHA, all of those types of things are also good. Especially we see this in mines a lot, where the compliance officer drives a vending system or a point-of-use dispensing system. They want to know that the product was available, and not only was it available, but this particular employee that was injured had used the machines. He took gloves, he took a cap lamp, he took a helmet, he knew how to get the stuff out of the machine, and matter of fact, he took one the Monday before he was injured. So that's something that's coming, and I think it's going to be a bigger and bigger issue in other countries as they start to implement some of the same safety rules that we have in this country. Everybody wants to reduce cost, so if we can reduce cost through whether it's compliance or consumption savings or labor savings, we want to do that. And then also stockouts. Probably one of the biggest things that we see is stockouts cause downtime, production lines to go down. If you look at American Airlines or Alaska Airlines, they figure an airplane on the ground for 1 hour is $100,000. So if they don't have the torque wrench they need, or they don't have the special tool that they need, or they can't find it, they know they have it, but they don't know who took it and where it was left, that costs a lot of money.